Well, I made some progress. It's 24th, a few days before Thanksgiving. Got the full-sized sheet on there, 10-foot sheet. Put a 10-foot sheet on the back. And I got another one above it that's just thrown in there temporarily. It'll keep the rain from blowing in. We got this upper panel cut and installed here. Well, that's going to be alright. And I figured out that I can cover this entrance here very easily. Those are 8-foot sheets, and that's, I guess, a 10-foot sheet. So I guess we'll just temporarily run a couple of 2x4s across the top and the bottom and just tack them up there, and it'll keep the rain from blowing in. But anyway, that's where we are.